Okay, mga sangkay, pandaigdigang balita tayo ngayon. May nangyari pong putukan daw mga sangkay doon po sa White House ngayon. Okay, may update po tayo mula po sa iba yung bansa, no? Ito po ay ang Amerika, pambihira. Ito na naman mga sangkay, naulit na naman po itong pag-atake na naman po ata, no? Sa presidente ng Amerika. Parang napapadalas po ito, mga sangkay. Pang ilan na ba? Pang 5 na ata o pang 6 na po ito. Simula po nung naupo siya at well, bago pa nga lang umupo mga sangkay, meron na po yung nataplisan po siya dito sa may tenga, no? Well, pag-usapan po natin ito. Anyway, bago tayo magpatuloy sa mga hindi pa po dyan nakakapag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, makikita nyo po yung subscribe button sa baba ng video na to. I-click nyo lamang po yung subscribe, i-click ang bell, at i-click nyo po yung all. Sa mga nanonood po sa Facebook, i-follow nyo po yung ating Facebook page. Okay, so ito nga po yung ganap guys, no? May breaking news. Ngayon lamang mga sangkay, US White House nagkaroon daw po ng pag-atake. Parang nakaraan lamang, hindi pa umaabot ng 3 buwan. Meron na naman mga sangkay, no? Hindi to. Kinumpirma ng United States Secret Service na nakatanggap sila ng ulat tungkol sa umano'y bakbakan malapit daw po o putukan malapit sa White House. Ayon sa ahensya, iniimbestigahan pa nila ang insidente sa kahabaan ng 17th Street of Pennsylvania Avenue. Habang kinukumpirma ang mga detalye mula sa mga tauhan sa lugar. Samantala, sinabi ni FBI Director Kash Patel na tumutulong ang Federal Bureau of Investigation sa operasyon ng Secret Service. Okay, so ngayon mga sangkay, ito yung update dyan.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining us on this Saturday. We begin with some breaking news at the White House. Moments ago, several shots were heard at the property. Details are few, but CBS's Aaron Navarro is there and was outside at our live shot location when all of this happened. Aaron, what do you know? And we obviously saw that you were there being told to get down immediately.
Jerika, from where I was in the press tents outside the White House, you could hear about 20 to 30 gunshots.
Dami pala mga sangkay, no? Akala nyo, ito matindi kasi dito sa atin, may nangyari din po sa Senado. Ngayon naman, doon sa Amerika, White House pa po, sa labas ng White House. Mga sangkay. So, alin ba ang mas maano dito? Mas mabigat, yung White House ng US o dito sa Pilipinas, yung Senate?
From what seemed like outside the White House grounds. It also sounded like 1.2
Parang
guns going
Pilipino
at the
pa
same
po ito
time.
mga
Though,
sangkay,
again,
no?
the details are fluid and are unconfirmed. And we have heard from initial law enforcement reports that it happened at the 17th Street and Pennsylvania Avenue intersection, which is right beyond the building for staffers at the West Wing, known as the Eisenhower Executive Office Building. We could not see the
Grabe.
shooters as we ducked down, but we did start to see Secret Service roam the north lawn of the White House as they yelled at us to get to the press wing and get inside. Currently, the White House is under lockdown. There is a Secret Service agent right outside the
So, nagkaroon po ng lockdown. Parang sa Senado din, no? Nung nangyari po yung ano kay Bato, nag-lockdown din po yun, mga sangkay.
doors to the press briefing room, and you can see some of them start to roam the north lawn of the White House today. But this obviously comes just a couple of weeks after a shooting at the White House Correspondents' Center.
Grabe.
That's right.
Okay, so ito yon mga sangkay, ito mismo. Dito mismo, nakunan mismo niya yung tunog ng putok mga sangkay, mga putok po ito. Tingnan po ninyo.
2022.
Pakinggan mabuti.
President Trump promises
Habang nagbabalita siya, mangyayari yan.
the prices will go down, but his grip on Republican support on Capitol Hill
Yan, no?
is weakening.
Bigla siyang napaupo eh. Ulitin nga natin itong part.
Support on Capitol Hill is weakening.
nangyayari sa US? Bakit kaya ganito sila, no? Napapadalas na kasi yung ganitong klaseng dami, oh.
There's shots fired. You have to get down. Shots. There are shots fired. You are going down.
Grabe itong nangyayari ngayon sa Amerika. Ang gulo. Kala nyo sa Pilipinas lang, hindi po, mga sangkay. Pati sa US, masyado rin po magulo. Bihira. Alam nyo sa mga parliamentary system ng mga bansa, hindi po ganito eh. Grabe. Oh my goodness. Okay. Sa ibang mga balita, ito mga sangkay. Tingnan po niyo. Ito po yung White House eh.
Bring back in Alex Hogan live outside the White House for the latest information.
Hi,
Yan
Tommy.
yung
So
mga
we just
Secret
got some new
Service.
information from the White House. According to the press office, they said shortly after 6 p.m., an individual approached the Secret Service checkpoint outside the White House. This is at 17th and Pennsylvania Avenue, so just one block behind me. You can still see that there's a large police presence here. This involves the FBI, Secret Service, and of course DC police. So the White House telling us that there was a preliminary investigation at this point that indicates that an individual approached. He removed a weapon from his bag and he
Okay.
began firing at police officers.
Okay, so kinuha daw po yung sa kanyang bag.
Secret Service police officers then returned fire, striking that suspect, who was later transported to an area hospital where he later died.
Ayan oh. Pambira.
During the shooting, a bystander was also struck by gunfire. So the White House press team at this point telling us that it's really unclear if the bystander was struck by the suspect's initial gunfire or during the subsequent exchange of gunfire. So
Alam nyo guys parang itong mga nangyayari sa Amerika, normal na lang po yan sa kanila. Pero ngayon kasi umaabot na po sa White House. Palala po ng palala, pambira. Well, ano po ang inyong opinion tungkol po dito? Guys, ano sa tingin nyo to, mga sangkay? Wala pa po gaanong information eh. Basta yun. Nangyari nga po ito sa labas ng White House. Comment down below. Meron tayong YouTube channel. Ito po ay Sangkay Revelation. Hanapin nyo po ngayon sa YouTube. Kapag nakita nyo na, i-click nyo po yung subscribe, i-click ang bell, at i-click nyo po yung all. Ako na po ay magpapaalam. Mag-iingat pong lahat. God bless everyone.